step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, yesterday.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a very productive day because tomorrow I leave to go to Florida with Leah, my best friend. We leave tomorrow. I have not packed. Only thing I got done is my hair. And I wasn't even supposed to get my hair done yesterday. I was supposed to get it done today, but it really helped out getting it done yesterday. So I gotta get my nails done today, toes done, and my eyebrows waxed. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today. Y'all like my hair? I'm gonna show y'all later, but I need to hurry up because I only got like 20 minutes to get ready. So, y'all say hello to Simone. Y'all, she has been wanting to be on the vlog for the longest. Y'all, now I need to find an outfit. I don't even, what time is it?
It's 10.
OMG. It's 10:13, y'all. Y'all, the GOAT dropped last night, Rallo. Well, he dropped it today, but last night I listened to his album. I don't know what I want to wear, y'all. It's gonna rain today. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna put on either. Cause with my toes in there, I want to have my toes out, but I think I'm still gonna have my toes out. Oh well. I'll just put on the jacket today. Cause it do be cold in them nail salons. And when I go get my nails done. Alright, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I pick out an outfit, cause it's gonna take a minute. Alright, so y'all, I found an outfit. That's what I'm wearing. And then when it starts raining, I'm just gonna like put on a jacket. So yeah. So I'm gonna cut y'all when I get in the car. Hey y'all, so I'm driving right now on the way to my nail appointment. Oh my god, I can't wait. Then after I get my nails done, I'm gonna go get my toes done, eyebrows done. Then I think I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go eat first and then get my toes and eyebrows done because I'm starving. I did not eat before I left the house. And then after I do that, I need to go to Walmart, get a couple things. I need to go to Bath and Body Works. And I'm doing my brother and my grandma hair today too. And then I'm gonna go get Leah. So it's gonna be a long day. So yeah, gonna be busy. But why is this red light so long? What is going on right now? Anyway, but I'm gonna do a couple clips when I'm getting my nails done. And then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Bye.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even.
Alright, hey y'all. So right now I'm in Walmart. And I'm getting like a few things that I need for this trip tomorrow. We leave tomorrow. So I need some travel toothpaste. I need to buy some more Aquaphor. And I believe that's it for real. That's all I need. out of here. And I might end up coming out with more stuff. But I do need some more face pads for my face. Some of these. Oh yeah, look at my nails. They're so cute. But when I got there, I wasn't even supposed to like get I wasn't even supposed to get duck nails, but we was talking about duck nails, so I just got it, you know. And y'all, my auntie snapped on my hair too. I didn't record getting my hair done, but we'll be okay. Y'all, I just came out of Walmart. And have y'all ever went into the store? Like, y'all know what y'all need, but like, when you get in the store, you just keep looking for stuff and you just stall time when you know what you need. Yeah. I went to Walmart. I knew I needed 3 things and I was in there for like 30 minutes and I did not need to. Because everything was in the same section. I did not need to walk around that whole store. But I did anyway. Just to make sure I didn't need nothing else. But, yeah. Hold on. Anyway, so I did tell y'all I got my nails done. Right now I'm gonna get my toes done and my eyebrows done and then go home because I forgot all of my hair stuff at home. So now I gotta go back and get that. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all I think after I get my toes done. So yeah. Toodles. Toodle. Y'all, it looks so terrible outside right now, bruh. When I left the house this morning, it was so sunny and hot outside. Now it's like, it's so terrible. Like it's in the storm. The weather is really playing right now. Oh, and it's thundering and lightning right now. It's really making me not want to get my toes done. But I want to still get them done anyway because I need to. Because it's just, why does it want to rain? I hate driving in the rain. But when I'm at home, I love, like, when it's raining, I'm at home, sitting at home chilling. I like when it's raining. But, like, driving in the rain is, like, I can't do that. I just hate doing that. Like, and being outside in the rain is just too much for me. And this lightning, bruh. Oh, my gosh. It looks so bad outside. It looks like... It's like a completely switch. Like, it was just sunny. Now I want to be windy and dark. Y'all, it's raining so bad. I don't even want to get out the car. It's raining so bad. Y'all see this? Like, it's raining so bad. And it's thundering. And it's lightning. But anyway, I'm gonna go in here and get my toes done. And I'm gonna check back with y'all when I'm done. Cause it's raining and I know it's gonna take me a minute to get out this car. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get done.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey y'all, we made it to Florida. Look what it is. It's lit. A lot has happened today for real.
Yeah. When the last time you recorded?
When I went to go get my toes done, that's the last time I recorded.
Oh yeah. Go ahead, catch them up.
Ooh, my shit was hard in a bit. We're gonna eat. We got this Hawaiian place.
Oh yeah, that's how you put it. Y'all can have some of it. I got two. Us two.
Is that just Hawaiian place? Look at this.
Nah, it's better if you get.
Mine got.
They did drench that bitch. They did drench this bit. See, at the other place I went to, girl. They be.
Gonna try this. Is this extra? Oh, bless you. This extra teriyaki sauce?
Yeah.
I'm not, girl.
Yeah, I have this superstition where I do the dessert first. I can't.
You're fucking. Yeah.
No. I do a little bite of dessert.
Cause she tried to be out of the ordinary. That's what she said. Yeah, your ass.
No, I got a superstition because one time I read this book when I was a kid, and it said you always eat your dessert first. Cause what if you die before you get to eat the dessert? Like,
Y'all hear her?
like in the middle. No, but it's badly, and I always stuck.
Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute since y'all heard from me, but it's been a long 2 days. But right now we're in Florida visiting Lex. If y'all didn't know, if I didn't tell y'all, we're in Destin. Y'all like my lashes? So let me show y'all what kind of lashes they are. Yeah, it literally takes like 20 minutes to put these on. I recommend. I got it from this girl off TikTok. But so easy. They're so easy. But anyway, the last thing y'all seen was like me get my toes done. Here comes, what's her name? Holly.
Oh, I feel bad.
Let her come in here. Holly. Yeah, she tore her ACL. But anyway, there's Holly. So y'all, the last thing y'all seen was me get my toes done and in the rain. And when I got out in the rain, y'all, I got soaking wet. I was literally so soaked. It was terrible. I was like, bruh, was this really worth it? But it was really worth it because I needed my toes done. But when I got back in the car, I just went to go do my brother's and my grandma hair. And then I went to go pick up Leah. Then went back to my house. And I was supposed to do her hair that night, but I had already did 2 heads and we was tired. So we was like, what you gonna do it before we leave? So then the next morning we woke up. I literally did Leah's hair, y'all. My dog passed away. Like, it's so sad.
Mid hairdo.
Like, just thinking about it right now, telling y'all, it's like really sad. Because I really miss my girl now. Anyway, long live Rain forever, you know? Forever long live her. That's like my first dog, for real. Like, that was my heart, but you know. Damn. Anyway, but I'm gonna vlog the rest of the trip. I think we're gonna just make this one whole video because I really did not vlog preparing. I didn't even vlog packing, so it's just gonna probably be in a whole one video. But anyway, today we're supposed to be going to the beach. Well, first we're gonna get smoothie bowls, the beach. Then we're going bowling tonight with Lex's friends. So I'm just gonna let y'all come with me today. And tomorrow's we'll be getting a boat. So yeah. I'm gonna talk to y'all later when we get up after we eat and like put our clothes on. And then on the way to the beach. So bye. Y'all, we finna go to the beach.
Big beach day.
Let's get in the beach.
Big beach day, y'all. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we finna go to the beach. It's so hot outside. It's 90 degrees. But we finna go get some smoothie bowls and go to the beach. And go get snacks for the beach. Alright, y'all. So we in Five Below. Look, we
finding hats, cause bitch, who's scalp finna be burnt?
the fuck, right, not mine, but I think I'll get both of these. My shit already tight.
Oh, let me not get the camera. Y'all seeing me steal? I'm just kidding. I'm not stealing. I'm just trying to go on.
We're not doing that. But I like this one. Oh, y'all see?
The pink is good.
Yeah, but I like this one too, though. I like both. I'm gonna wear this one tomorrow.
We're totally
Yeah,
I like both though.
I'm gonna get both.
Yes, it's giving. You
like,
in that one?
Both of them.
Exotic. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna get. All right, y'all. We're leaving Five Below. We've been here for like 30 minutes.
Was we?
Yeah, it's been.
I didn't even realize.
We went around that whole store and stopped at everything.
It still didn't get everything.
Right.
We got enough.
Y'all look at my best friend here. I did that. Yeah, get at them.
Don't play with it.
Don't play.
What the fuck do you hoes do in y'all free time?
They just be looking. They don't be booking
free,
nothing. But we finna go. Where we going? Public.
I just be
To
playing,
get fruit
by
and
the way.
stuff.
I'm not no mad at it.
Yeah, she really don't be mad. She really a generic type
Y'all,
of girl.
so we're at the
What is it called? Where we at?
Sunset Bowl place.
We're at this Sunset. It's like a food truck. Look how cute it is. It's Sunset Bowls. And we're finna get.
I'm gonna get the Sunset Bowl.
Hold on. So we finna order our bowls and then we'll get back with you. So y'all, we are so hot out here in this hot sun. It is so hot. Look how she's sitting. Weird. It's so hot out here, but we went on our açaí bowls. And then we're gonna go to the beach. It's so hot. Might be in the water the whole time. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get our bowls. Get our bowls. There's Lex, there's mine. And Leah already her fat, so I already done ate hers. Like,
Should we
look at it, it's so cute.
Well, the one.
Yeah, I just devoured. I just really
Lit the bowl.
but her fat still got a large though.
She really devoured.
Sure did. Yeah, I am loving the vibes out here, bro. Like we're literally just chilling. It's only 12:34. We have like the whole day, literally. I cannot wait to go to the beach.
Do it right now. I put it.
Yeah, I cannot wait to go to the beach, yo. She's still eating.
Done now. I'm stuffed.
But I'm gonna tell y'all when we get to the beach or when we get to that store. Got to get Leah a little hat and some glasses. I'm tell y'all later.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy.
Thank you.
Cause you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
This is the Gulf of Mexico, y'all.
Period. We
Geography lesson.
exotic.
Okaloosa Island.
Okaloosa Island, baby. The island.
We are island girls.
Island girls. Yup. Gang, gang. Yup. It's so beautiful out here, y'all. Oh, wait. This, I want to see, how many people it is out here? It's so many people out here. Nah, it's really just some chill. It's really just some chill.
But island girls, we're on the island for real, y'all. We're on Okaloosa Island. Tour guide Lex. Would y'all like to see? We showed them the pier. That's the pier right there.
So y'all, we're gonna get on this boat. Y'all got my edges dropped up because it's too. It's so hot, yeah. Cause I'm gonna put on. Over with already. I'm gonna put on my hat, but there's so many pretty girls out here. Look, say hey.
What's up? Ooh, the sun is sunny, y'all. It's giving. Where we at? Florida.
She said, where we at? Florida.
Don't just put it on the thing.
It's coloring me up. We're gonna put the hats on. Look at her. Ready to take them videos. Y'all, last night she tried on her swimsuit, right? And she was getting ready to take a video. I already knew she was. And she goes, no. I want to bartend on there's no bartend. Yes. Every time. See, like that girl love a mirror. So y'all on this boat. Where? Y'all, I can't record a lot because we like listen to music, but I'm like a little montage for y'all. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later when we get like to stopping and stuff. Thanks. You wanna say hey to the vlog?
Hey, we say hey to the vlog.
Say hey to the vlog.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something to come back. Stop.
Y'all, we finna have something. Yes, I'm here for 4 hours. 4 hours.
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something in your base. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all.
Y'all, look at this water, bro. It's so like clear. Yo, look at my bitch. Look at Leah. Look at her. I'm finna get in the water though. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hi, I'm Vita. Y'all, we out here on Crab Island. Y'all should come pull up. Leah.
You said how she went? Crab Island.
Lex.
Oh, what's up, y'all? Okay. Geography. Oh, hold on. We at Crab Island with it. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? That's the Emerald Glen right here. This is the Brooks Bridge, right, Haley? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. No, Brooks.
Oh, that's all the way over here.
Yeah,
That's all the way over there.
I said I had a threesome with 2 thick bitches.
Y'all look how pretty she is, y'all. You had fun?
Stuff out here. Shout out Emerald Crest Ellie on Instagram and TikTok. Make sure you follow.
Yeah! Gotta talk to the vlog. We still out here. It's like 2 o'clock and we're still out here. Chilling like a villain. Yeah, y'all, with this piece. Okay. She get single and start acting bad. Acting bad. Need a whooping. Need a whooping. But y'all, we out here in the water. It feels so nice today. It was supposed to rain when we came down here, but I'm glad it didn't. Because we had a beautiful 2 days. It's been beautiful. And after it's supposed to be going to like a food truck festival. That's why I'm trying to get food now, because they're like selling burgers and I'm just being fat. But I'm gonna try to wait till we get to the food truck, because we already had 2 sandwiches that Kendrick cooked. They were so good. Like, they were just so good. Like, oh my god, I'm so in love. Hold on, I'm coming. It's gonna be a workout trying to get over there. Hey y'all, so while I was editing, I see I didn't do no outro for the video. After we got out the boat, we literally just got food, went back to Lexi's shower, took a nap, and then we headed back home. I didn't get home till 3 o'clock this morning, but it was a very fun trip. I had so much fun. I met so many new people, and they were all fun to hang around. I just love going places that like have good vibes. Like, I'm just like, if you don't have good vibes, I don't want to be around you. I don't want to be around nothing but positivity, people that lift me up, and that's it. If you don't lift me up, if you like giving me bad vibes, I just do not want to be around. Me personally, I just don't. But I had so much fun, and I hope I liked the video. Thank you for watching, and until next video, bye.